Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource here on a really nice, cool Friday afternoon. Thought I'd continue some of the documentation of these cars from my buddy's field find, or his project car collection that he's decided to move on down the road. Today what I'm going to be working with or looking at a little bit closer is a 1951 Chrysler New Yorker. This car is actually quite complete, and I believe this one may have had a running motor. This actually has the Hemi, the early Hemi motor in it. I'll get right to that. That is the, I think that's the 331. Not as up to speed on my Mopar stuff as some of the other things. There's our data tag right there for you guys that are interested in that stuff. But you can see this is a pretty complete car. It's not overly rusted and corroded. I know my buddy had gone to the trouble to put new tires on it, or new rims with some new tires, and the interior is kind of a nightmare, but it's here. A lot of it's just the way the fabric looks. Here's our vehicle number right there. That's a steering column right there. Wow, that thing is attached. And then of course it's got, you know, the fluid drive, automatic in it. I can't really tell what kind of miles is hiding on it, but there's your interesting early 50s dash cluster. A lot of this is just stuff that's hanging because of the age. Safety clutch. Huh. This is a pretty original old car, guys. There's our, if I can get over there. There's our temperature controls, the original radios in it. Wow, interesting. There's the wiper panel, lights, still functional, they're not frozen up. Original glass. Just a neat old car. There's an ashtray back here, can't get that open. That's kind of cool. Art Deco still. It's actually kind of an Art Deco design right there. Kind of neat the way they did that. Not gonna worry trying to force that grab handle for the back seat. I think at one time, not too far in the past, this was probably a fairly decent old ride. It was originally this, I think that green, that kind of a lime, not lime, but light green color. It's here, you know, the body's still intact. Bumpers are on it. I see some corrosion back here. There's parts in this trunk. Let's see if I can get this open. Hang on. Ah, there we go. I'll see what's back here. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow, that is a very, very old tire, guys. Goodness. Wow. Okay. That catalytic converter doesn't go with this. But that is a safety miler is what it's called. You can see right there, that is an old, looks like a bias ply tire. They might have actually used that, but man, you know, there is some corrosion back here. I do see it in this area. It's going to need addressed. What's this right here? Shake well before each use. I don't know what that was. Old can from something. But the trunk, well, no, the lower trunk's pretty bad. But kind of neat. I'm gonna leave that open for now. Let's take a look underneath here. Yeah, drivetrain's still in it. You know, it's just been sitting. The spare tire carrier's rotted out underneath, which is to be expected from sitting. It's kind of a neat car. You know, it's a four-door. It's never going to be a $100,000 car. The cool thing about it is it's got that early Hemi motor in it, which is kind of cool. You could always harvest it for that. And there's a lot of good Chrysler New Yorker specific trim on it if you were going to restore one. So this is kind of cool. A little custom touch there. Door opens. Some other parts. There's our glove box assembly. A little more Art Deco styling on that. That's kind of a neat little touch right there. Huh. Interesting. Okay. All right. So, we'll get a shot of the motor from this side. Like I said, I know this motor was cranking and turning over when he got it. I don't think he actually was able to get it to fire up. But there's your early version of your Chrysler FirePower is what they called it, the early Hemis. I guess that's the oil filter down there. But anyway, kind of a neat car. This one is available from the collection. If you're looking for something like this or something that you need parts for, this one is available. So if you got any questions, you can reach me, Brian, at 832-654-7367. Appreciate you guys checking in, and I'll be back tomorrow with another car to highlight from our collection here. Thanks, buddy.